The game has changed in the way that IT is managed, the way that IT is deployed, the way that IT is consumed. And we are fixated on helping our customers transition to this new era, this new way of dealing with IT, to challenge the way that people are thinking.
We have a new generation of data scientists the world's developing. And when these pupils leave school, 60% of the jobs in the UK will involve data science in some shape or form.
And that's where we are today. We're seeing this massive growth in cloud-driven data. It's not just data moved into the cloud, a lot of the data is actually generated in the cloud and stored in the cloud.
I thought we'd go out on a bit of a limb and try and prove to you, or at least convince you, that data science can also save lives.
Once we've got a big cohort of data, we can then try to predict the lead up to stroke, heart attack, various other things, anything we can build a machine learning model for.
We have huge amounts of data, we have masses of duplication, and within that data we have intelligence that we can't get hold of, and we get risk that we can't actually manage. And our job is to help people do that.
People are talking about digitisation. You'll find a lot of engagement now beyond just an IT budget. People are trying to get into the digital budgets in the business.
The world is moving to a more data-driven environment. If you can't, as an executive, learn to speak data science, then you're going to lose.
That's what cloud does. It allows you to almost forget about the infrastructure, forget about the platforms and the servers and the hardwares and all the storage and everything underneath, and just focus on what it is you do well and understanding that data.
For us, it was really getting an insight into what are developments in data science today. What can we take away as nuggets of information that we could take back into those businesses?
Great guys, they've been helping us build up the business case ready to move to a managed sort of Office 365 cloud hosting, Azure platform. So that's drastically going to improve the way we work.
I think one of the things that all the speakers have been doing, including AI, is trying to help distill some of the myths around the cloud, and ultimately the best approach is to actually start looking at cloud-based solutions to get a huge amount of benefit.
What Red Pixie has done is brought a set of organisations together that are probably going to be helpful to customers thinking about doing it.
The KPMG talk was good. It was more a lesson how to make most of this data, which is something I was looking for.
The presentation with the wristbands with Stu and Dirk from Red Pixie, I mean, that was fascinating.
The good thing with working with Red Pixie is they understand what our goals are, they know what good looks like, and they help us on that journey from the start point through to the end.
I loved it. You know, my job is my hobby, so this is easy for me. You know, data science, we are transforming businesses, so selling it and talking about it is just sewn into my DNA.